Think about a camera that can capture every moment in stunning 8K. Or one that's tough enough to handle underwater shots without extra gear. And what if you had one that lets you get creative with smart AI tracking? In this video, we're diving into a comparison of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, GoPro Hero 13 Black, and DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. We'll break down each camera's strengths and see which one fits your style best. Whether you're into adventure, travel, or creating content on the go, let's get started. When you're picking an action camera, how it's built really matters. Let's see what you get with each one. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 keeps things neat and small. You can easily slip it in your pocket and it won't get damaged by water or dust. Want to mount it somewhere? No problem. It fits almost anywhere. You'll find it works great when you're on the move. The GoPro Hero 13 Black feels more solid in your hand. It's a bit heavier, but that's because it's built tough. You can take it underwater without any extra case, pretty handy if you like water sports. If you drop it while hiking or biking, it'll handle the fall well. On the other hand, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro takes a different approach. It's light like the Insta360, but comes with screens on both sides. This helps when you're filming yourself or trying to get the perfect angle. It handles water and dust just fine, and you won't need to worry about a few bumps and drops. Now, let's talk about what these cameras can actually capture. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 shoots in 8K, which means really clear videos. If you're filming outside on a sunny day, you'll get great colors and sharp details. The camera handles bright and dark areas well, so your videos won't look too bright or too dark. Moving on, the GoPro Hero 13 Black works great for fast action. It films in 5.3K, and you can slow down the footage later if you want. The colors look bright and lively right away, good if you don't want to spend time editing. Even when it's getting dark, your videos will still look clear. With the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, you get 4K video. The colors look more natural, like what you see with your own eyes. This means you have more room to adjust them later if you want. It works okay in low light, but not quite as well as the GoPro. The way these cameras see the world makes a big difference in your videos. First off, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. It lets you change how wide you want to film. You can go from close-up shots to wide views that catch everything. This helps when you're not sure what kind of shot you'll need. Whereas the GoPro Hero 13 Black gives you those classic wide shots that GoPro is known for. You can choose different views, from super wide to more normal. This really helps when you're filming sports or fast action. You can't change the lens though. And the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro keeps things simple with one main view, but you can zoom in digitally. This works well if you're making videos where you talk to the camera or when you need to get closer to your subject. Nobody likes shaky videos. Here's how each camera helps keep things smooth. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 handles shakes really well. Whether you're walking, running, or moving around, your footage stays steady. It uses smart technology to keep everything looking smooth. In a similar vein, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is also good at this. Its hyper-smooth system is great at handling rough movement. You can be skateboarding or mountain biking and your video will still look steady. On the other hand, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro does a solid job too. Its rock-steady system works best when you're not moving too fast, but it'll keep your regular videos looking smooth and professional. Sound matters just as much as video. Let's see how these cameras handle it. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 does a decent job with sound. It cuts down on background noise, which helps when you're filming outdoors. If you need better sound, you can plug in an external mic, handy when sound quality really matters. Similarly, the GoPro Hero 13 Black really handles sound well. Even when it's windy, your voice comes through clear. You won't have to worry much about background noise messing up your videos. For filming in challenging conditions, this might be your best bet. In comparison, the The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro works well for close-up sound. While it's not quite as good as the GoPro in windy conditions, it still captures clear audio. You can also add an external mic if you need better sound quality. Now, let's talk about the battery life of those cameras. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 keeps going for about 2 hours. What's really helpful is that you can swap out the battery when it runs low. The USB-C charging is fast too, so you won't waste time waiting for it to charge. On the other hand, GoPro Hero 13 Black lasts around 1.5 hours. That time gets shorter if you're using all the high-end features, but it charges up quickly, which helps if you're in a hurry to get back to filming. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro gives you about 2 hours of filming time. Like the others, it has fast charging. This works well if you're out all day and need to charge between shots. Your filming doesn't stop when you press the button. You need good editing tools too. The Insta360 app gives you lots of creative options. You can add effects, adjust colors, and make your videos look just right. If you like playing around with different looks, you'll have fun with this app. GoPro's app makes editing simple and quick. You can connect your camera easily and start working on your videos right away. It's straightforward to use, which is great when you want to share your videos quickly. DJI's app keeps things simple but effective. While it doesn't have as many fancy features as Insta360's app, it gets the job done. You can make basic edits and share your videos without any fuss. Let's talk about what you're getting for your money. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 sits at the higher end of the price range. You're paying for those advanced features and good build quality. For GoPro Hero 13 Black, it costs a bit less. Given its features and durability, it offers good value if you need a reliable action camera. And the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro gives you the best price deal. You get solid features without spending as much as the others. Ultimately, the right action camera for you boils down to your specific needs and budget. Each model brings something unique to the table, appealing to different kinds of users. The GoPro Hero 13 Black shines for its rugged build, dependable stabilization, and excellent low-light performance, making it a top pick for high-intensity activities. If you're into adventure sports or filming on challenging terrains, the Hero 13 Black is your go-to. Its audio capabilities make it ideal for vlogging in windy environments too, ensuring your voice comes through clearly. While it doesn't lead in resolution, the 5.3K quality delivers vibrant, smooth footage, and its ease of use is a bonus for capturing spontaneous moments. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 stands out with its 8K video capabilities and highly adaptable app, making it a dream tool for those who crave creative flexibility. The option to change your field of view and adjust in post-production allows for a lot of versatility. If you value advanced editing and creative effects, the Ace Pro 2's powerful in-app options and seamless transitions between wide and narrow shots make it well worth the higher price. The device's durability and 2-hour battery life also ensure it can keep up with your extended shooting sessions. Finally, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a fantastic value for anyone seeking a budget-friendly option without sacrificing core features. While it may not offer the highest resolution or most advanced stabilization, it performs reliably in everyday scenarios and is incredibly user-friendly. Its lightweight design, decent low-light performance, and dual screens make it a convenient choice for casual creators or those looking to capture quality content without a steep investment. Plus, with digital zoom and fast charging, it's perfect for users who need a quick, easy-to-use setup for daily vlogging or travel. In conclusion, each camera excels in its niche. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a content creator looking for high-end features, or someone wanting reliable quality at a lower cost, you'll find a great choice among these options. The best camera, as always, is the one that aligns with how and where you'll use it most. So, that's all about the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, GoPro Hero 13 Black, and DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Do let us know what you think about these cameras. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.
Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today.